My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Vauxhall Astra. This vehicle has done just under 49,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to projection, navigation, Bluetooth, and OnStar. Put the vehicle into reverse, you can hear that it comes with parking sensors. This Astra also comes with a sport mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.